Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the problem if you're facing this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device. A problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. So if you're facing this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device, while set up the Face ID on your iPhone device, then here in this video I will show you how you can fix this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you will need to open Control Center, and then from here you will have to enable the airplane mode on your iPhone or iPad device, and then try to set up the Face ID and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version, and then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then here scroll it below, tap on general. Then after that here you will need to scroll it below. Then here search for transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then here tap on reset all settings. Then after that enter here your iPhone passcode and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. You will need to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then press the volume down button, then here press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad display, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, here move to the next solution, open setting, then here scroll it below, and then here search for Face ID and passcode. Then enter here your screen time passcode, then here scroll it below, and here you will need to reset the Face ID, and then after that check, and after that try to reset up the Face ID and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, here again open setting, then tap on Face ID and passcode, and here is option to require attention for Face ID. You will have to make sure that this toggle should be turned on, and here is the option of attention for aware features. You will have to make sure that this feature is also turned on from here, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to make sure that your TrueDepth camera is clean and clear, and here you will need to clean your TrueDepth camera of your iPhone device by clean cotton or clean cloth, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. After that here again open setting. So if you're having still this problem, then you will need to again open setting, then here scroll it below, then here search for Face ID and passcode. Here is a Face ID and passcode. You will need to tap on this, enter here your screen time passcode. So after that here you will need to scroll it below, then here you will need to scroll it below, and here make sure that all these toggles should be turned on from here, and after that here's option of erase data. You will need to turn on this from here, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will need to open Safari or any other browser, and then from here you will have to register a complaint to the Apple support, and then after that they will try to resolve your problem within 24 hours. So that's it from this video. These are the fixes through which you can fix this problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.